We have the KX and the brute force, T-Rex and the Mule Pro, got the Concourse and the KLX for them highways and the back roads, Vulcan S, Z1000 KLRs and Digi Camo. You know how it goes. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. With some brand new shoes, let's hit the mud, hammer down, stand it up and hear the V-twin singing through the big gun. Yeah, hit the throttle, feel the power. The competition has been devoured. Kawi green, that's all they see. No wonder the other side been so sour. But it's okay, yeah, it's all good. We'll just take a little rip to the backwoods, grab a couple of friends and put them in a T-Rex, rub dust with a lead foot. If you ain't into that, we still got your back. Just take a look around you. Bred to be strong, built to be winners, so we ain't never coming last place. You know the slogan, man, and you know how we live it. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. Yeah, it's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. Leaving marks on asphalt to those big mud holes. One more time, it's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. And the Mule Pro, got the Concourse and the KLX for them highways and the back roads, Vulcan S, Z1000 KLRs and Digi Camo. You know how it goes. It's Kawasaki, let the good times roll. With some brand new shoes, let's hit the mud, hammer down, stand it up and hear the V-twin singing through the big gun. Yeah, hit the throttle, feel the power. The competition has been devoured. Kawi green, that's all they see. No wonder the other side been so sour. But it's okay, yeah, it's all good. We'll just take a little